Hello guys, today I have dual motor 3-stage disc from Jin office. I have ordered it directly from the retailer for around 35,000. It measures around 5 feet and 2.5 feet. Contains the two unit, the tabletop and the frame. This is my existing setup, which is a fixed height setup. I'll be replacing it with the new setup with a sit stand disc. Let's open this box. So let's first open the frame. We have white electric sit stand frame inside. So let's open this up. So we have this metal frame. Um, this is power supply to the frame. Then there are a couple of metal frames, as you can see. So I think this connects between the two side of the frame. Yeah, this is quite heavy as it has the motor. There's another arm. This is the base. This is again the joint, I think. This is the second base. This is the controller. Here is the buttons. There are some screws. Some more parts. The cable. More cable. More parts. Another part. I think this will connect with this controller. So we have all the parts that we need, all the parts that is mentioned in the instruction manual. And now we'll assemble all these together. So let's do it. Let's assemble this sit stand desk and see what does it look like. So I have separated the screws into 5 different sizes. These are A, B, C, D and E according to the instruction manual. So let's start with the attaching the crossbar first. So one part is now done. I have to do the other part and the other leg. Now let's attach the anti-vibrator pad. On top of this board will go up and we'll tighten the screw from the bottom. So both the sides are done. Now we'll proceed towards attaching piece. Now, so let's attach the feet. Both feet are done, so we'll proceed further. Now let's attach the last part of the frame, this main part, this crossbar. So I have placed this side apart and just have to insert this thing inside, and once it's inserted, and insert it back in here. Same thing I'll do with other end. Now we just have to screw it up. I have not inserted both the crossbar, and now I'll place the frame to the bottom. Now I have inverted the frame, and let's connect the power to the respective plugs. So here goes my left one, here goes the right one in the controller, and the controller power for this plug done. And now let's quickly power it on. Yeah, it says 62. So I've connected all the cables, and here you can see the base height, the minimum height is 62 centimeters. If I try to press up button, it's going up by, yeah. But here comes the error. I think, yeah, it's gone away. Here comes again error E05. So I think there's some issue with this. Maybe I just have to put the tabletop first and then try. As of now, if I try to press, yeah, you can press up and down button together to reset. If I try to press up this button by button, it's going up and it's going down too. But I have to press it many times. But if I keep pressing it, there's some error detected. I think it's due to collision, but there is no collision as of now such. Maybe I just have to put the tabletop on and then try. Okay, let's then open this package. Let's open the packaging. So let's open this up. So now putting the tabletop on the top of the frame. So we'll have to adjust it from the bottom. So this is the maximum height it can attain. You see, it's pretty big. If I go, it's too big. So let's bring it down. There's some error. Let's reset. Quick update here. As you have seen before, it was showing an error as I was holding this module in my hand, and now I have fixed it. So the error is gone. Uh, and if I click on 2, I've preset some of the settings. So for after pressing 2, it will go to a height of 97 centimeters, and there is no error as such. This is an ideal height for me to work on, and this is my current setup. Okay, so this can go up to, I think, 127 or 129 it is. So let's check this out. So 128 it is. Yeah, so this is the maximum height it can go, so it's too tall, yeah, for someone to work on. And the minimum height it can go is 62. So you can see it's going down. There are three buttons for saving various height along with memory and timer button. Coming down, and this is the minimum height you can achieve. So this was the whole video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. I'll come up with some different video next time. Thank you.